what was? Oh yeah, in Attribuli, I know we have insights at the campaign and ad level. Is there any feature in the process where we can see it at the keyword level?
Well, you can see that. Oh, well, yeah, you want to see the report, right, for the Google Ads at the keyword level.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we are recording the keywords, but it's not displayed in the ads attribution part.
Oh,
But we can do that. We can do that. I think we can. I can record a request and send you to
okay.
confirm. So basically you want to make another dimension. Dimension is keywords, so you can see every keywords conversions
Yeah,
conversion
yeah,
bar.
because so like which keywords are bringing in the sale, which keywords are working, and those kind of things. Again, not a immediate need, but something we more insight is better.
Sure, I understand that. I'm recording.
Uh, Also, if you remember, we spoke about a feature called compare to. Do you remember?
Yes.
Is there any possibility of that feature, or is it like will it have to wait?
Um, I'm thinking this way. How about if we can send the all attribution and age attribution dataset to BigQuery of Google. So BigQuery is much more powerful to build whatever analytics and BI you want.
Right.
So the
But
process.
then the problem is that I understand that, but the thing is, no. Now my boss, he has to now deal with another tool from Attribute. What he wants to do is like just log into Attribute and that's it. Like asking him to go into another tool is like giving him another job.
I understand that.
Yeah. Again, nothing. It's not like a make or break, but it's a really helpful feature. Like you can see compare performance of two date ranges, and you can like see how did it perform yesterday versus today or last month or last year, that kind of thing.
Okay. How about like this, Troy? Um,
Hmm.
we will start to in our monthly meeting with my developer team. We'll
Mm-hmm.
try to make this in November roadmap.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Nothing, like I said, nothing like pressing, but again, something I think it will benefit all your users
Yeah.
in Attribute
Yes.
for
Yes.
sure.
Yes. Yes.
Because everyone also everyone, whenever performance is low, everyone starts looking at past data, that okay, like last year in on Black Friday, how much did we sell? This year Black Friday, how much did we, people are always comparing historical trends and whatnot, right?
Yes. Yes. That's a really, really good feature request.
Thank you. Also, I mean, this is a little so in that, let me share my screen. It will be easier if I show it to you. So this is also an
Yes.
interesting feature that if you may want to consider. So in the conversion path, right here,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So for example, it says conversion value, average order value, and time to conversion, right?
Yes.
Now, can we have another dimension called number of touch points or
Mm-hmm.
number of ad clicks? So, for example, right, in let's pick plush beds. Plush beds is a good example. Ecoterra today sales was slow, so today plush beds was strong. Okay, so for example, this, right? So let's look at this first line. Google Ads times three, right? So basically, this person clicked on the Google Ads three times before they converted, correct?
Yes.
One, two, and three, correct?
Yes.
So this, the total number of touch points is three,
Yes.
right? For here
Yes.
it is 1 and 2, again 3. Here it is just 1. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 3, 24 touch points. So what it does is, if you remember in Universal Analytics, there was a report called a time lag report, right? What that time lag report told you is how long does a customer take to convert and how many touch points it requires for a customer to convert. So that is very, very helpful insight. Like, because then when we look at the average, we can tell that okay, our customers are converting, let's say, and because Attribution is able to filter it by product, right? So it helps us to give even more insight, like, for example, if we want to know, okay, when we are selling toppers versus mattresses, in toppers the number of touch points required is just 2, and the time to conversion is only, let's say, 1 day, versus if someone is buying a mattress, then the number of touch points required is 4 to 5 or maybe 10, and the number of days it takes to convert is maybe as big as 25 days. So that also gives us a lot of insights into our customer behavior. So
Yes.
um, something I think if you add another dimension here, which is like you have time to conversion, but also number of touch points is also like a very helpful metric.
All the touch points are all is only.
No, no, all, meaning whether it is organic or paid, doesn't matter.
No problem. No
Yeah.
problem.
Now,
No problem.
if we can add a filter where we can say, instead of product, we can say channel. Oh, we already have a channel. So we can, if we can, select multiple instead of just one,
Mhm.
then it gives us the ability that if we want to only see organic, we will only
Mhm.
select the organic channel. And if we want
Mhm.
to see only ads, we can only select ads and see the touch points.
No problem.
Gives us the flexibility, right?
No problem.
So
No
again, so
problem.
nothing urgent, but again, you know, I think you must be thinking I'm crazy, but actually I'm all day inside of Attribuli and I'm looking at the reporting and thinking of different things of how, and then I just share it with you that these things are also valuable.
Yeah. You are our another product manager. That's great. Thank you.
So
Yeah,
Alex, I'll start.
I'm agree.
I'll soon start charging you, okay, for all my insights.
I'm waiting to.
But yeah, that is something, that is something important, the compare to feature. And I just write them down. Oh, the most important feature I want to talk about is call tracking metrics. So I feel like Attributely does a decent job of capturing outbound phone sales, which our customer team is making to customers who have abandoned the cart. But the incoming ones, Attributely does not catch all of them. So if we have an integration with um, call tracking metrics, that would take the analysis to the next level. And I found out one more thing. This will be very interesting to hear. See, up until this point, what the uh, assumption was that somebody comes to the website, and if they make a phone call, and then they make a purchase, okay, over the phone. That was our assumption, that okay, if someone is calling, then either they will make the purchase on the phone or not make the purchase on the phone. But we didn't think of one more scenario. Let's say somebody came to the site from Google Ads. They called us. They spoke to us. They took all the information, and they said, "Okay, I have all the information. I'm going to come. I'm going to make the purchase later." So they hang up. Now, call tracking metrics has the data that this person came from Google Ads. Okay. Now the person directly types plush beds and comes to the site and makes a purchase. Attributely will say this person came direct because it doesn't know that originally they came from Google Ads and made the phone call. So what I'm saying is not necessarily everyone who will make the call will actually purchase over the phone. They can take the information on the phone and then come back through either a organic or paid channel and make the purchase. So that way, what is happening is we are not giving credit to Google Ads in this case, and the entire conversion value is going to direct. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, and I think and there are many cases because I do the reporting on a weekly basis. I see so many touch points in call tracking metrics that Attribuely, and this just for one conversion, right? So many touch points in Attribuely that, sorry, in call tracking metrics that Attribuely is not even capturing. So sometimes a customer calls 3 or 4 times. Once they will come through Google Organic, once they will come from Facebook, once they will come from Impact. So now, if all that attribution data is missing, then the final attribution that I'm seeing in Attribute is incomplete. Correct? So
Yes.
I think call tracking metrics is needed for, especially when the logic is that the person calls, takes the information, but then comes back online and makes a purchase.
Understand that. Well, so what is your vendor for the core? The core is also the system is
Call back,
also provided by contract
call
metrics.
track. Yes, call tracking metrics. If you want, you know what I can give you. Do you have access to call tracking metrics?
I don't have, but
Okay,
yeah, give me
let me give
access.
you.
I can analyze that.
Yeah, let me grab my phone because it sends a text to me. Give me 1 second. Okay. 99137. Can you see my screen, Alex? No, right?
No, no,
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Can you let me know when you can see it?
I can say it now.
Okay, so this is the call tracking metrics, dashboard. So right now, no one is calling, obviously, but these are the people, right? Who, like, when you say zero, when you see 00, right? So they
Yeah.
were just a visitor, meaning they came to the site as online, so they didn't call. Now you see 4 and 54, that means this person made a call. And the
Hmm.
moment a call is made, you have the data here. So this person came directly to the website. Let's see. When you click on it, yeah. So this person came directly to the website. You can check for other sessions also. Yeah. So this person directly came to the site. There is no UTM data available. For example, here, this person made a call. He spoke to us for 5 minutes, and his UTM parameters was Klaviyo. So right here you can see
Hmm.
UTM campaign promo, medium, SMS, and UTM source Klaviyo,
Yes.
right? So this is all data, right? Like, I mean, this is data that Attribuely does not have,
Hmm.
right? It can benefit from this.
Yep.
So uh, let me see where I can, yeah, manage user. Okay. Uh, New user, Alex at attribuely.com. Alex, your last name I forgot.
EJU.
Oh, yeah,
LIJU.
Elijah. Iju.
EJU.
Okay.
EJU.
Oh,
Yes.
sorry. Iju. Default login page to desktop. I'll turn this off. Okay, so it'll send you instructions, and I'll give you do you want admin access, or marketing manager, or what access do you need? Admin is okay?
I think this is okay. Or I will not
Okay.
change anything.
Sorry?
I mean, I will not change anything in your
Yeah,
system.
yeah, yeah, I know. Save changes. I think you'll get an email, and it will basically um, set up your password and all of that.
Sure. Oh, okay.
If you
Another
do,
thing. So
yeah,
can you also give me access to your share Excel? Maybe just for one account.
I did, right? You don't have plush beds?
Only now only impact. I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can give it to you.
Yeah. So we can make the integration faster.
Plush beds. Uh, my account.
Oh, share Excel. Maybe I have. I don't have. Maybe, I think I don't have that. Maybe you can check.
Tool. I'm not finding where I can. Do you know where I can give you access? It should be under my account. Uh,
Account
account,
details. Maybe.
account detail.
Mhm. I don't know. Maybe, or I can send you a guide letter.
Advanced feature. You can send me what?
A guide.
Oh, guide. Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
trying
yeah.
to search a guide letter.
It could be possible that Dawn hasn't given me access where I can give, um, where I can add somebody. Maybe my own access is limited.
Possible.
So let me speak to Michael, and once my access is updated, I will, um, I will give you access to share a sale. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure, sure. Let me make a note. Get admin level. Okay, awesome. Yeah, the CTM thing is, very, very important for us, like, in terms of attribution. So if, this is something, I would request you to, like, if you have the bandwidth, your team has the bandwidth to look into next once you finish the impact and share a sale server side.
Yep, definitely we will look into that next month.
Awesome. Yeah, apart from that, I think we covered everything, right?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want me to send you an email about Klaviyo that, Alex, once the testing is done on your end, please turn off the LMR connection? Do you want me to send that email?
I think no, because we have already recording the video,
Okay, okay, perfect,
so no
perfect.
problem.
Okay, no problem. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay, Alex, if I don't talk to you this week, then hopefully I will talk to you the week after.
Yeah, yeah. Have your
Yeah,
nice holidays. I will send
thank you.
you emails. I'll keep you updated.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Me too. Yeah,
Okay,
great.
okay. Bye. Bye,
Thank you.
Alex. Have a good day.
Yeah, good day. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Sorry.